Pranam friends. Today's video is about renaming compartments and subcompartments in Oracle OCI Cloud. All the instructions for this lab are given in the website multicloudrishi.com. So let us quickly jump into the website and start our lab. So we are inside the website. You can find the free coupons for cloud exams and other things here. And for today's lab, you can find the OCI Cloud here. Click it. And under the hands-on labs, this is the lab today we are going to see renaming compartments and subcompartments. Click it. The instructions are here. So first thing you need to remember, yes, you make sure you logged into correct account, okay? Account with all the privileges needed necessary. So these are the instructions available for us to follow. And before starting this lab, make sure you have a compartment. If you don't have a compartment, kindly go to this lab video and create the compartments on following these videos. And if you have followed this video and created the compartments, you have a structure like this where you would have the demo compartment, production compartment, and a development compartment created. So in this lab, what we are going to do is we are going to take this development compartment and testing compartments, these both compartment, and we are going to rename it. What we'll do is we will rename this development compartment first because there is a child within. So we'll see whether it says any contradiction or not. And after, if it gets successfully renamed, then we will go ahead and rename this child compartment too. So what are the instructions? Click here, this URL, it is the official OCI URL. So you could follow that steps itself. Open the navigation menu, click Identity Security under Identity Compartments. For the compartment you want to rename. Okay. So let us go ahead and do it. First go to the navigation menu, go to Identity and Security, and in that compartments. After you came into the compartment, see which compartment you want to rename. And as per the instructions, click the action menu and then select a rename compartment. So where is this three dots action menu? These are the three dots, and all you need to do is select which compartment you want to rename and make sure you click the same three dots action menu of that compartment. You can't change the name of the root compartment. So obviously this is the root compartment. It is always with the name of the root tenancy, the account's name, so it won't get changed. The name you enter must be of under same things. So whatever, when you create a new compartment, whatever the rules apply, the same rules apply here. Okay, so let us go ahead. As far as we are going to change the development compartment first, because we want to see whether a compartment which holds a child compartment is able to change its name smoothly. So let us go demo compartment. Obviously the development compartment is within the demo compartment. So let us get inside the demo compartment, and within the demo compartment there is the development compartment, and this development compartment, click the action menu, click rename compartment. So I'll change the name to development. I'll change this comp. Okay, development to comp, and I'll click rename. You could see how instantly it changed the name, and it haven't showed any kind of error or warning, even though the development compartment had the testing compartment inside. So it said nothing. So it's amazing. Let us get inside. This is the testing compartment. Now what we do is we try to change the name of this testing compartment. So I'll click this. I'll rename the compartment. I'll change it to compart. This comp, testing comp. Rename the compartment. It is renamed. Now we have seen that there is no problem even when resources are inside, yeah, any compartment can be renamed. But if you remember, after creating a compartment, we will be associating a policy with it, right? So what will happen to the policy? So if we come back, here they have explained that compartment can be renamed and the policy defined to that compartment will automatically be applied to the renamed compartment. So the OCA, what it does, the OCA by itself will adjust things so that the policy is suitable to the development and testing compartment which are renamed. So it is done automatically. So you don't need to worry about the policies. Second is you can't change the name of the root compartment. Obviously, we know that we can't change it. So now let us go back to the compartment menu. Friends, if you find our videos useful to you, then kindly take a minute and subscribe our channel and like the videos. That will motivate us to create more free contents. Thanks friends, let us continue our lab. Now what I will try to do is, I'll try to rename the compartments again to its previous original name. I'll try that. We'll see whether it is possible or not. So let us go and try the child compartment. The lowest child compartment is the testing compartment. So let us go and rename it. Yes, it got renamed. And again, let us go to the parent compartment. So inside the demo compartment, the development comp, I'll rename again to its original name. Okay, now you can see that both the name got renamed successfully. So it's amazing. Whenever you find free time, visit multicloudrishi.com. You can learn multiple clouds and cloud related topics like Linux, Git, Kubernetes, Python for free. I'll be updating each topic one at a time in every weekend. You can go to any cloud hands-on lab list and start practicing the labs too. And make sure to check this free exam discount coupons too. So keep working hard, keep yourself focused, believe in God, keep smiling. Meet you in next video. Jai Shri Krishna.